In a major escalation, India suspended the Indus Waters Treaty with Pakistan after a terrorist attack in Pahalgam, Kashmir that left 26 civilians dead and 17 injured. India accuses Pakistan of cross-border terrorism, a charge Islamabad strongly denies, calling the attack potentially a false flag operation. Responding to what it calls a serious provocation, India announced a series of punitive diplomatic and border security measures. Indus Waters Treaty held in abeyance at Attari-Wagah border crossing closed immediately. Visa cancellation for Pakistanis under the SAARC Visa Exemption Scheme with a 48 hours deadline to leave. New visas to Pakistanis suspended. Defense personnel at Pakistan High Commission in India declared persona non grata. Reciprocal withdrawal of Indian defense staff from Islamabad. Diplomatic missions in both countries to be reduced from 55 to 30 by May 1st. Indian Prime Minister Modi chaired a cabinet committee on security, calling for high vigilance and a decisive response. Meanwhile, Pakistan's Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has called a National Security Committee meeting to formulate a counter strategy and contest India's actions on legal and global platforms. Pakistan has labelled the move a reckless act of water warfare, accusing India of using terrorism as a pretext to undermine long-standing agreements.